From the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Craig Carper. Both chambers of the General Assembly have now approved legislation that would ban localities from adopting sanctuary city policies that would restrict the enforcement of federal immigration laws. Democrats say the bill is unneeded, costly to localities, and could undermine community policing efforts.
Let's be very clear. This bill is really about dog whistle politics, created to stoke fear of the other and division and the idea that those who are different, new Americans and immigrants, well, you're unwelcome.
Republican Delegate Jason Miyares says he supports legal immigration, but also sees the need to stop those who choose to enter the country illegally.
When this simply is telling localities not to impede the federal government from obeying the law, that to me is astonishing. As somebody who is a child of an immigrant, who every chance I get goes to speak at a naturalization ceremony, I have to say, I completely reject that characterization of this bill, and it's the pleasure of the House to pass the measure.
Governor Northam vetoed a similar bill last year and is expected to do so again. Both parties are sure to discuss the legislation on the campaign trail later this year. For Assembly 19, I'm Craig Carper.
Broadcast of Assembly 19 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will bring dividends tomorrow.